Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can activate the Diners Club credit card, so make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. You should have received a welcome package with your new card containing an activation sticker, PIN letter, and instructions. This sticker usually has a scratch-off area revealing a security code or number. Visit the card's issuer's website or activate through their mobile application. Look for the Activate Card section and follow the prompts. You will need the card number, security code, and any other requested information. Call the customer service number provided on your welcome materials or the back of your card. A representative will guide you through the activation process, requiring similar information as the online method. If you received a separate PIN letter, follow the instructions to create a 4-digit PIN. You might be able to set or change your PIN through the online portal or mobile application as well. Some issuers might require you to verify your personal information during the activation process, such as your address or date of birth. And that's how you can activate Diners Club credit card. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.